Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to make Facebook account private. So in order to make our Facebook account private, we're going to hit these three vertical lines here, and then we're going to scroll down until we see settings and privacy. Go ahead and click that one, and then we're going to look for privacy shortcuts. Now from here, you have the option here to take a privacy checkup, so go ahead and click that one. And then the first thing that we are going to do is the first one here, who can see what you share, so I'm going to click it, and then we're going to click continue. Now from here, you're going to have the email, birthday, and the friends and following here. So it's either you're going to allow them to be shown in your profile or set them as only me. So say for example, I have already set my email here to only me. I can do the same thing for my birthday. So I'm going to click this one and set only me. There you go. The same thing for the year of birth. So I'm going to click this, click only me once again. And then you have friends and following. So I'm going to set both of them to only me. There you go. And then we can click next. Now we're going to do the same thing here. So default audience is only me already. Who can see your story? I'm just going to set this one to friends, or you can customize if you want to. Now again, I'm going to close this one and limit past post. Go ahead and click that one. Click limit. Alright, and then click next, and you have here more options. So go ahead and try to check which one applies to you, and you're going to go ahead and basically click this one here, how people can find you on Facebook. So you can click this, and then you can click continue, and then instead of everyone being allowed to send you a friend request, you can click this one and set it to friends of friends. There you go. Now we can close this one because we're done there, and we're going to go ahead and move to see more privacy settings. Go ahead and click that one, and then from here you're going to go ahead and move to audience and visibility. Now this is an option that you can do. You can actually lock your profile in order to make your account very much private, so only friends will see the photos, posts, and stories in your profile. Another one, only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo, but people will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. So that is going to make your account very much private. Now you have the option to do it. Go ahead and do that one if you really want to get this done. Now another thing, you have different options here. We have, for example, posts. You can set this one, limit who can see past posts. You can click this and then click limit past post. Alright, now you can do the same thing for your stories. You have here story privacy, sharing options, story archive, and stories you muted. You also have for your reels, and then you have here followers and public content, profile and tagging, blocking, and active status. So go ahead and try to do which one applies to you. Again, all you have to do is set it as only me or make it private. And that is how you are going to make your Facebook account private.